The Chase Freedom Card, with its rotating bonus categories and flexible rewards, is a popular choice for savvy spenders. But beyond everyday purchases lies a less traveled path, the realm of cash advances. Whether an unexpected emergency beckons or a temporary cash crunch throws a wrench in your plans, understanding Chase Freedom's cash advance options can prove invaluable. However, venturing into this territory warrants caution, as hidden fees and pitfalls can ensnare the unwary. Fear not, intrepid financial explorers. This video unravels the mysteries of Chase Freedom cash advances, equipping you with the knowledge to navigate this financial landscape with confidence. First things first, what is a cash advance? A cash advance isn't simply withdrawing cash from your credit card. It's akin to borrowing money directly from your credit line, albeit at a significantly higher cost. Think of it as a short-term loan from your issuer, albeit an expensive one. Chase Freedom Cash Advance Basics. Fees. Brace yourself for a double whammy. Cash advance fee. Either $10 or 5% of the transaction amount, whichever is greater. Interest. A whopping 24.99% variable APR kicks in immediately, accruing daily and compounding interest. This sky-high rate significantly outpaces typical purchase APRs. Limits. Your cash advance limit is generally lower than your regular credit limit. Check your card statement or online account to know yours. Methods. Access your cash advance through ATMs. Locate a network ATM bearing your card's logo, enter your PIN, and select Cash Advance. Be prepared for additional ATM fees. Convenience checks. These pre-printed checks issued by Chase allow you to access your credit line for cash withdrawals or direct deposits. Beware, activating these checks often triggers a separate fee. Balance transfer. You can transfer a portion of your cash advance balance to a linked bank account, but expect balance transfer fees to apply. Applying for a Chase Freedom Cash Advance. There's no formal application process. Simply choose one of the methods mentioned above and follow the prompts. However, exercising prudence is paramount. Consider these crucial questions before taking the plunge. Is there a less expensive alternative? Explore personal loans, emergency savings, or borrowing from a friend/family member before resorting to a cash advance. Can you comfortably repay the advance with high interest charges? Calculate the total cost of the advance, including fees and accrued interest, and ensure you can manage the repayment within the grace period, no interest. Will this impact your credit score? Frequent cash advances can reflect negatively on your credit report. Use them sparingly and prioritize timely repayment. Beyond the basics, advanced maneuvers. Reduce your cash advance limit. Contact Chase to proactively lower your limit, minimizing potential damage if you succumb to temptation. Pay back quickly. Every day matters. Prioritize repaying your advance before the grace period ends to avoid interest charges. Utilize balance transfer offers. Some Chase cards offer introductory 0% APR periods on balance transfers. Consider transferring your cash advance balance to maximize repayment flexibility. Chase Freedom Cash Advances can be a valuable tool in a pinch, but treat them with the respect they deserve. Remember, they're akin to financial quicksand. Enter with caution and prioritize a swift escape. By understanding the fees, limitations, and responsible usage guidelines, you can navigate this terrain with confidence. Ultimately, responsible credit management remains the golden rule. Stick to your budget, prioritize alternative funding options, and only turn to cash advances as a last resort. With knowledge and prudence as your compass, you can traverse the financial landscape with aplomb, leaving the treacherous cash advance labyrinths behind.